Hi guys, my name is Catherine, and I'm going to show you how to log in to Invictus Academy. Invictus Academy is an integrated learning platform that is run using the software called Fuse. Fuse works best on Google Chrome. You can open it in other browsers, but it will not show up as effectively as it does in Google Chrome. So I strongly recommend that you download Google Chrome if you have not got it on your computer. If you open Google Chrome and you type into the URL address bar summit.fuseuniversal.com, you will be able to access the Invictus Academy website. Let's recap that address again. Summit, SUMMIT, fuseuniversal.com. I strongly recommend that you bookmark this page and place it at the top of your internet browsers for easy access. You will receive an email with your username and your password included. Your username is going to be your first name and your surname. Your password will be set at Invictus #1, and for the very first time that you log into the system, it will ask you to change your password to something a bit more personal that you will remember. But remember, don't forget your password. You can also have the option of saving your password into Google Chrome. When you sign into the system, it will bring up your audience-specific homepage. This page is tailored for each different group of employees that work for the company. There are 6 different groups of employees that will be allocated to the system. And each different homepage will have different elements that are tailored to suit each of the different groups of employees. On the left-hand side of the screen are 3 little stripes called the sidebar. This sidebar, if you click on it, will bring up various menu options, which we will go through shortly. Just along from the menu bar, you've got a posting button where you can post a comment onto an article or a video that might be loaded onto the system. You've got a record button, and this will allow you to record your work environment where you're working at your laptop or your computer. You've also got an upload function, and this will allow you to upload any media or any PDF articles or any other documents that you might want to upload to Fuse, to your learning system. It has a search bar where you can look for any articles or any documents or any media that you might have found interesting. And onto the right-hand side of the screen, you've got your favorites tab, where you can locate your favorite articles or your media items that you might have saved. It's got your notifications function. If you click on the far right-hand side of the top of the screen, it will bring up your profile. It has a summary of your profile up at the top of the page, and then the different content pieces that you might have uploaded, as well as analytics that you can actually see how many people have viewed your post, how many people have liked your post, how many people have shared or comment on your post. And then the most fun part of it, it allocates points for you. If you scroll up, you can actually then edit your own profile. If you don't like your profile picture, you can upload a new profile picture. If you click on Edit Profile, you can then change what you would like to change. If there's something that you want to change that you're unable to access, you're welcome to get hold of your knowledge expert in your community or myself, Catherine, and I will change it for you. If you go back to the 3 lines and you click on Home, that will take you through to your home page again. Having a look at the home page, that's me. If you need any assistance with anything, you're welcome to ask me. There will be different media that are posted. There will be different content pieces that will be posted, depending on exactly what is required of the staff. In the middle of the homepage, you've got access to your learning plan. Your learning plan will be your personal development plan, which will be tailored to suit your individual needs as part of this company. Your community will be allocated to you upon login, and you'll belong to one of the 6 major communities that are present on the system for the different categories of staff members. If you're a Summit employee, you'll belong to the Summit community. If you are an SAE employee, you will belong to the SAE community, and so forth. If you go back to your homepage and you click on your dashboard is very similar to your profile, but it gives you more or less of a summary of exactly where you stand within the system, how your activities been over the past few days, weeks, what your contributions have been, what your score is. It gives you access to your learning plans and the content that you have uploaded. Just next door to your dashboard are the announcements. The announcements will come up as the announcements feature in the system. At the bottom of the homepage, you've got links to various websites, success stories, which will be uploaded fairly shortly, an About Us page where you can find out more about the company, HR information, policies and procedures, which are always being updated, access to the company system, SharePoint, any company statistics, Zoho People, which is a human resources platform that the Human Resources Department of Invictus Education use. Any vacancies that might be posted in the company, and forms that you might need access to. And that is the structure of the homepage. If you click on your 3 stripes and you have a look at the second menu option, you can have a look at any recently added content that will be specific to your role within the communities. You'll have access to your communities that you will be a part of. You may be a part of one community or maybe even 2 or 3. It depends on your function within the company. You'll have access to your learning plans, any major events that might be happening within the company, your leaderboard, which will show your score within the community and within the company as a whole on how well you're participating with Invictus Academy. A further link to your dashboard, and do any surveys that you might need to complete, or if you would like to have a look at the results of those surveys. The EPOE function will be investigated later on within the system. There's your favorites button again. Any recently visited items, your content, and one of the more important functions if you want to add a new topic. If you scroll further down, you have access to various menu options depending on exactly what you are doing within the company. And then right at the bottom is your logout function. And if you click logout when you leave, that will prevent people from using your system.